Well, the market is going pretty well right now with over 120K in Bitcoin alone. Some of the different categories and niches like AI-based coins are also performing better than usual in the past month alone. For example, with Tagger over here and Tag at 327, we not just doubled the market cap in the past month alone, but we also have lots of news on what they've been working on and what they recently announced. To summarize them real quick from the beginning, they are a full-stack AI data solutions platform when it comes to the collection of data, labeling, management, and trading, and so on and so forth, bringing fair and intelligent productivity. Their fully diluted valuation recently broke through 400 mil over here, 450 at this point, so almost $500 million, which is probably going to happen in the next week or so, based on the performance alone. And they recently launched a 2-week data task reward pool, which starts on August 14th and goes until August 28th over here, with $200,000 in rewards alone, so about $14,300 on a daily basis, for which all you gotta do is go to the website, connect your wallet, start a task, and then start labeling. For example, as the task show over here, you're labeling human, which means in this case, you pretty much select and outline the human on there, which then helps train AI and move them forward. Now you can upload tasks once a day, get some tokens, stake them as well. And if you are among the top stakers, you can also be a data reviewer, which means you can review the task other people did and do like quality control, you could say. Fair work, fair pay, fair data, fair AI. And that's something that everybody can do, which I think you might like as well. As the barrier to entry is, do you have internet? And if you see this video, the answer is yes. So again, on the site, please connect your wallet first. Okay. There've already been quite a lot of tasks completed with lots of active workers. The World Liberty Fund run by Trump also invested, I think, $40,000 in it already, as they see the quality that Tagger brings to the table. And this one is first come, first serve, no KYC required, any of that. Head over to manual data labeling, and once everything starts in here, you should see some tasks and participate in that competition. The token is also already listed on Binance Alpha. You can trade it on Maxi, BitChat, Gate, and a couple other sites, as well as PancakeSwap. And if you believe in AI and AI-based altcoins long-term, might be something for you. Otherwise, free to join, nothing to lose. And you never know, this could be you over here. I will leave links down below and also have everything summed up in the description again. And if we look at market trends and how everything goes in here, market is up, AI as a category is up as well by quite a lot. And Tagger is one of the best performing AI-based coins. Actually, it is the best performing coin in the past 7 days, as the second highest is up by 24% over here and 31% with Destra, while Tagger is up almost 60%. Tagger is also the first decentralized corporation when it comes to AI data labeling, which means they already have paying clients, which is used to buy back the token, so it's revenue-backed tokenomics, with a fair launch behind the token, in which 74% was mined by work, without any KYC required, without any venture capitalist, pre-miners, something that was built right from the ground up. Now, if you want to buy the token, obviously I have links down below to the CoinMarketCap page, so you can see everything on here as well, where they're listed. When it comes to any of the exchanges, so whether it's Binance Alpha, BitChat, Maxi, Gate, so on and so forth, obviously sign up to the exchanges, simply head over to TAG on the usual spot trading chart, and then you can buy the tokens that way. Again, Binance Alpha, BitChat, Maxi, all the main exchanges that you know and use. When it comes to the decentralized exchanges, we got PancakeSwap, for example, as it is based on the Binance Smart Chain on the left side over here. If it doesn't show up in the list automatically, so if you go in here and do a search for TAG, in case this doesn't show up, simply go over here, copy the address, and then you can paste it in there. It will then show up automatically. You can also see it is an active trading pair, so you get the right one. 1 BNB, you would get about 734,000 tokens, quite a lot. So if you have like 1.3 BNB, you will get about 1 million tokens, give or take, which also reminds me that BNB is now at $800. That's pretty good. That's a good sign for crypto. Again, links to everything down below. Make sure to get some tokens that way and participate. It's free after all. See you in the next video, and until then, take care.